Hi again. Today I will share with you a quick update regarding three stocks that I have shared with you before. First one is Himax Technologies. As I said before, I have missed the entry around $5, and price went without me because I've waited too long for price to reach the area of $4, and it didn't reach it, and it went or it reacted from the level of $5, and now it gave us another opportunity to get in. I've got an entry around $6. Um, of course, it doesn't look very good as it looked before, because normally, or I prefer always to just see one leg up and then a retracement and enter on the second retracement. But now you have one leg up, retracement, another leg up, and another retracement. Now it's obvious. Sometimes when it's too obvious, it doesn't work. So it may actually react from this supply area and go down from here. But I have entered anyway because I think the upward potential is way higher than the downward risk. That's why I've entered around at around 6, because I think it may have huge upward potential to maybe like one of the Fibonacci extension levels. The minimum one is like the one, which is like 17. Second is 21 or 24 or 28, which is a very good risk to reward ratio. Second one is Etsy. Etsy has reached a very good entry level, but I didn't enter because I think the company may not survive the AI revolution. As you can see here, we are after the huge move up. Now we went down and we have reached the ultimate, or one of the very good support areas, but this is only on the technical analysis point of view and only on the chart. But on reality, I'm not sure if Etsy will survive, to be honest. If you want to take a shot, you may enter like with a very low position or a very small position, or you do your homework and you study it on a fundamental point of view, or fundamental analysis point of view, and you see if it will survive or not. Because actually, I don't have enough information about it. Um, but from my opinion, and as I've seen it, I've seen the website. I didn't use it before, but I'm not sure if it will survive, to be honest. Um, Third one is one of my biggest positions, to be honest, and actually one of my riskiest positions. But I'm happy because now we are on the end of the month, so we have a monthly candle on Migi, Mason Infrastructures. And as you can see here, the monthly candle closed in a very good way for us, or for people who are in a buy position, because as you can see here, it closed, or we didn't finish the day yet, but it will close like taking the high of the previous month. And also, one of the things that are interesting, as you can see here, this is the ultimate low. As you can see here, we have never closed below it. All these things, or the price, or the movements underneath it, was only wicks. We have never seen a monthly close underneath it. And as you can see here, this engulfing candle, I believe, or I still believe, we can still see a huge potential on Migi. Of course, it's very risky, but I think it will be worth it. We may, of course, react from here. If we are wrong, then this will be the area of supply, and price may react from here and go down and down. If not, we will break it and go, as I said, maybe to one of the Fibonacci extension levels. And next one actually is here. As I said before, it's a very, very optimistic target, which is 33. And also we have these gaps here. You can also exit here, which is also a very good target, which is just the 4.23 Fibonacci extension level. Of course, it's a very good risk to reward ratio. If you buy it at like zero point 0.5 and sell it at like 20, it's like 40x your money. So it's crazy. That's why I think it is worth it, even if you enter like with a small position. I think it is worth it, because if you lose, you won't lose much, because you actually were buying it at a very low price. So that's it for today. Follow for more.